But there is one job that I need to get on top of right now. This shrub rose is Rosa Complicata. Species rose, lovely, delicate pink flowers, single, don't last very long, but it's a joy. And I like it to grow quite big, so I didn't prune it at all last year. Now it needs a little bit of sorting out. But if you're tackling an overgrown shrub like this, the thing to do is to clear the tangle, get rid of any crossing branches, anything that's very old or anything that's damaged. And in general, you want to cut away the oldest growth and cut back the weakest growth, which will make it grow firmer. And if you're cutting out a big stem on a rose, go low. Go right down to the bottom, and that will encourage regrowth. Cut right back to the stem there.